Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Vanzilla from the show The Loud House. Here are all of the materials that we will use throughout the build. Begin by placing a black concrete on the ground. Place a smooth stone slab in front of that concrete and 4 behind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a black concrete behind the slab, with another slab behind the black concrete. We then want to place 2 rows of smooth stone slabs extending across from everything that we have just made. We then want to place a smooth stone slab on the ends of the rows of slab that we have made, with a black concrete extending inwards from each side, and then smooth stone slabs in between the 2 black concretes. On the front of the vehicle, we want to place 2 furnaces on top of the 2 middle smooth stone slabs. We then want to place cyan concrete all the way along the outside of the frame of the vehicle. We then want to place stone buttons on the sides of the wheels, aka the black concretes, but we also want to place them here and here, extending upwards and inwards diagonally from the black concretes, along the cyan concrete on both sides of the van. We also want to place an item frame here, a glow item frame here and here. When it comes to the back pair of glow item frames, we want to place acacia buttons on the same block the item frame is placed on, with red stained glass pane inside of the item frames. On the side here, we want to place a tripwire hook on the same cyan concrete block that we have the item frame. And then moving to the front of the build, we also want a pair of item frames at the front of the van, but this time bamboo buttons attached to the cyan concretes with yellow stained glass pane inside of the item frames. Inside of the van, we want to place an end rod here behind this furnace with an oak trapdoor on top, a lever behind the other furnace. Behind everything that we have just placed, a row of polished andesite stairs. Leave a gap, place another row of stairs, leave a gap, place another row of stairs. And then, on top of this cyan concrete here, we want to place 2 smooth quartz blocks. Leave a gap, 1, 2, leave a gap, 1, 2, leave a gap, 1, 2. We want to do the same on the opposite side, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We then want to place glass pane in between all of these. So glass pane in between all of the smooth quartz, just like this. On the front of the vehicle, we want to place a lever here and here. We then want to place smooth quartz slabs on top of the entire van, so connecting everything together that we have just placed. And then we want to, on the front of the van, place a lever here, extending in front of this furnace, with 2 chains on top of the lever. They actually kind of fit perfectly, like this. And we want to do the same on the back here, but just on the opposite side, so you can see that side for the front, this side for the back, but it's the exact same thing. A lever with 2 chains on top. And with that final detail added, we have officially made Vanzilla. And that is that, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell next to the subscription button to ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. If you would like to make anything else by me, please check the description below for the mini city builds playlist. We have over 100 builds in there for you to enjoy. Alternatively, the sidebar, hopefully the next upcoming video, YouTube, or just check the channel. Last thing, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like like to download a world completely filled with each individual build that has been ever added to Mini City, become a channel member today. You will not only gain access to a world filled with builds, but you will also gain a cool avatar next to your name whenever you comment down below, and you will also gain access to some cool emojis as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.